And well, next tonight we're taking a trip back in time, 30 years in fact, to the creation of the first ever website.
Yes, it was in 1991. The inventor of the web, Tim Berners-Lee, put it online. There was no pomp, no ceremony, nothing to give away the huge effect this new invention would have on the world.
Well, Graham Stothard is at the Web at 30 exhibition in Cambridge's Grand Arcade for us this evening. Good evening, Graham. Now, I know you're very young, but do you recognise any of the tech around you?
Not so young, I don't remember some of this. It's funny, actually, it does really date you. You remember the tech that you grew up with. Obviously, in your case, David and Tanya, you'd probably need an abacus here to date you, but not so with me. For example, this video here. Now, if I were to say badger, 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 mushroom, mushroom, you might think I'm having a turn, and that is inevitable. I probably will at some point. But this is a video that went viral when I was a teenager. Now, of course, it's mainly cat videos going viral. But every video, every web page, every computer, every printer here helps tell the story of 30 years of the web, even down to, strangely enough, a coffee pot and a webcam. Why? Well, let me take you back 25 years to a report by Anglia TV and Surrey Beddoes.
This is what's attracting all the attention, a coffee pot. Interest is such that a camera is permanently trained on the device, so its every condition can be monitored, put onto computer and accessed on the internet. It's the idea of an inventive and rather lazy student who couldn't be bothered to walk down 7 flights of stairs to see if the pot, in Cambridge University's computer block, was full or empty.
So there you have it. It seems laziness is the mother of invention. Here to talk to me about the sprawling infinity that is the web is Jason and Jim. Jason, thank you for having us. First of all, 30 years, how much of an effect has it had on the world, the web?
Oh, I mean, it's huge, isn't it? I mean, you know, we live our lives very, very differently from how we did 30 years ago. Our work lives have changed, our home lives have changed, just everything.
And Jason, you are one of the people behind the exhibition. Who else is behind it, and why put on an exhibition like this?
It's Jim. And that's all right. That's right. And it's a snapshot of a larger exhibition called 64 Bits. It's put on by the Centre for Computing History here in Cambridge, and it celebrates the early days of the web.
If only I had the computing power of some of these machines. And where do you see the web going in 30 years? The next 30 years?
Well, I think it's going to be, you know, much the same as it is now. It's all going to be about arguing with strangers online, but I think the Internet of Things is going to be huge, and it's going to impact every aspect of our lives.
Thank you both for joining us. The first web page went online on the 6th of August, so this Friday, get a party hat on, get a browser up, and just go berserk.